So to wrap a gift basket, take any basket. Start adjusting your gift like so. Now take cellophane sheet and paste around the edges of the basket with the help of glue gun. Cut extra cellophane. If you feel cellophane is not nicely pasted from any side, then paste again. Use hot air gun to clean and seal the edges like so. Now take ribbon and paste around the basket like so. To make a bow, cut 12 inches ribbon and fold it in half to make a crease. Now twist ribbon from each of the ends like so. Paste with the help of glue gun. Take another 4 inches piece of ribbon and paste it like so. Now paste this onto the bow. Paste your bow on the basket. Cut it like so to give it a cute bow look. And we are done!